Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So, great showing yesterday on the covered deck project. All our railings are up. Concrete pad poured for our steps. Steps in place. Nice 8-foot steps. It's going to be great for these folks for entertaining. Access ramp. Worked out great. Give the customer access on the front. Ramp here. Nice storage area for his ATVs and firewood. Very nice walkable ramp. Great view from the back. Very nice piece of property. Customer asked for a 32-inch height railing over the primary area. Keep the view out the woods nice. 42-inch height back here in the spa area. Gives a little privacy. Also a nice spot to lean. So that's how we do it. Any type of exterior project or interior project, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Covered decks, porches, roof replacements, window replacements, siding replacements. We can handle it for you, get it right for you the first time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.